Hi, I'm Chris Ruggery, sales manager at Willis Lexus. Now that spring is rolling in, we have plenty of trucks rolling in as well, delivering new inventory to our dealership every day, including the all-new Lexus TX third row SUV, guaranteed to give you the best seat in the house, no matter where you are, from the driver's seat all the way to the third row. Right now, we have some great spring offers with rates as low as 4.99% on most of our award-winning lineup, like the RX, NX, or ES. If you're looking for a great electric vehicle, look no further than the RZ 450e. And during this month, we've got some astounding offers for you. Take advantage of 0% financing up to 72 months, $10,000 of rebate, or $15,000 of lease cash. We also have some great spring leases on the rest of our lineup. Lease an ES sedan for $519 per month, NX as low as $499 per month, RX as low as $549 per month, or TX as low as $629 per month. It's a great time of year to come outside and look at a brand new vehicle. We would love to help you and show you the Willis experience. So stop in and see us or visit us online at willislexus.com.